Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are fixing a new ignition switch to see if that solves our non-starting problem. So I'll take you through step by step. Hopefully I don't mess it up. I believe there's 3 screws under here. There's the switch that we're trying to get off. Oh, God damn. That's a one unit. God. Yeah. So, to get this out, it's tricky as hell. You need one of these. See, that's the screw you got to get in. There. So, bought a set of these, £6 from Halfords. See if that does it. Right, so turn is towards me then. Hey. Ta-da! Just trying to find out it's not the same unit. I think that's the original, you know?
Does it look worn?
Kind of. Oh, fuck. Which way did I take that out from there? Oh, that was easy enough. Now I've got to do that screw in that bloody little screw again. Where is it? Oh, of course I've lost it. I haven't know. It was silver, wasn't it, or gold?
There's two, what's them 3 on the floor?
Oh, it's that one. I thought it's. Oh, it's gold. Job's good, and well, see if the fucking thing will start then. Think. Maybe we'll go back together. Anything out this side missing? Will it work?
Where's that red one go?
What red one?
That thing there.
Where?
Is that it?
Yeah, it's in. It's scaring me. Thought I missed something. Getting out for it's not gonna blow up. Of course, tighter. The whole ignition barrel is.
Is that?
Yeah. Still doing it. Still got the click, but the ignition barrel feels better. Oh. The ignition barrel's new. Doesn't feel all loose and wobbly. But we've still got the no start problem.
Send help.
Yeah, so that's definitely one. There you go. How to change the VW T4 ignition switch. If you like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I didn't enjoy that messing about. See you next time.